We built the Dean Wilson Replica Privateer YZ450F. Why? It may seem odd that we chose to build a replica of a bike that Dean started the season on before getting a fill-in ride at Rockstar Husqvarna. Why were we interested? Well, we like Dean. He's a friendly, outgoing, funny, and a hard worker. More importantly, Dean didn't sit at home on the couch when the 2017 Supercross season started. He got a Yamaha YZ450F and virtually went to the races in a pickup truck. The one factor that made us want to build a replica Dean Wilson YZ450 was that Mitch Payton gave us Dean's engine. Some things seem so simple at MXA that we expected all the pieces to fall into place without even trying. And so with our Dean Wilson project YZ450F, but nothing is ever as easy as it looks. We had some hoops to jump through, questions to answer, and problems to solve. Here was Dean Wilson's YZ450F riddle and how we solved it. Dean's engine is special, not because it had Uptanium parts, but because it was Uptanium. It could be built by any enterprising YZ450F rider, be he a vet, novice, pro, or professional practice rider. Dean's engine is still expensive at $4,500. It was fast, but it wasn't hard to ride. The power band was tuned for more low to mid power, which is where a Supercross engine needs to be. What surprised us most was that it was so easy to ride that we could use the abundant power without fear. As for the suspension, we knew Dean's Supercross said it was too stiff for us, so we called Technical Touch, who gave us a set of factory Kayaba 8-kit forks and shock. On the track, the Kayaba forks worked wonders. Extremely fluid, especially in transition from small chop to heavy impacts. Bottom resistance was plush, without the occasional spike that comes with the standard SSS fork. There weren't any points in the stroke where we thought the Kayaba factory kit forks needed to be changed. To complete this build, we used Dean's other sponsors. Split Designs gave us the exact graphics he ran. We used a Cycroplastic Moto Seat seat cover, Works Connection hole shot device, VP Racing Fuel, DT1 air filter, Maxima engine oil, Samco hoses, arc levers, Galfer oversized rotors, TM Design Works chain guide, Lightspeed carbon fiber brake rotors and chain guide, and WUSA wheels. Look for the full write-up on the Dean Wilson Replica YZ450F in the August issue of Motocross Action magazine, or check out motocrossactionmag.com for the 2018 new models and products.